Redoxon went from a lesser-known brand to one of Vietnam's leading vitamin supplements in just 12 weeks, thanks to a unique database approach to food, boosting immunity in the nation and driving offline sales by 158%. The pandemic changed people's attitude to health, from the things they do to the things they eat. Redoxon's immunity formula was just what they needed, but no one knew us, and standing out was almost impossible. So to become part of people's daily lives, we became the first supplement brand to own food occasions. Our research told us that consumers thought Redoxon tasted really good. What's more, home cooking surged post-lockdown, and seeing as healthy food is rarely tasty, adding Redoxon provided a solution. We would offer a tasty treat with a healthy twist. We partnered with renowned chefs and trusted nutritionists to create innovative recipes of food and beverages, including sorbets, ice creams, and jelly. Our tutorials were shared across social media, cooking sites, and e-commerce platforms. Programmatic and online video extended our reach, and we encourage consumers to share their most innovative recipes with Redoxon as a vital ingredient. We even picked up a Guinness World Record for the most videos of people adding toppings to food in 1 hour. Redoxon went to #1 in the market, leading to a 158% increase in offline sales. Not bad for a healthy treat.